Eastern Kentucky University's School of Aviation is changing the game with the Unmanned Aircraft System concentration. Gain key knowledge in the rapidly growing field of UAS. Learn UAS-specific operations, safety regulations, and uses. Plus, get your Part 107 commercial drone license. You'll get hands-on experience in flying state-of-the-art drones in all major drone industries, such as public safety, agriculture, photography and videography, 3D modeling and mapping, surveying, construction and engineering, counter-drone operations, and more. Graduate with over 100 hours of flight time on high-tech drones used across various fields. Elevate your career. Apply today at eku.edu/aviation.